How to change your background image in Kling AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on Kling AI and want to change your background image, first of all, launch the Kling AI app open on your device. Also, sign into your account by entering your correct credentials. And once you're inside, go to the bottom right corner and tap on My Space. You'll then be able to see the background image at the top of the screen. Just tap on it and you'll see this change background option. Click on Replace at the bottom right and it'll ask you to allow access to your device's camera roll. Just go ahead and allow all the accesses, and once you do, select the photo you want to use as the background image. Go ahead and crop it. I'm just going to put this part over here at the top. Once you do that, click on Confirm, wait for a few seconds, and there you have it. That's how you change your background image in Kling AI profile page. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.